Bobi Igbo ndị ọma njem ọnụ ekene m unu. Biko tupu m na-ekwu anything biko achọrọ m ka ị nenegodi vidio a biko iwe ga-adị n'ọkụ nenenu vidio anọ.
Just see wristwatch collection of David Biome, the GO of Salvation Ministry in River State, Port Harcourt. Just look at wristwatches alone, the prices. There is money in church business now, they argue. I don't talk this thing before. Money dey church business. In fact, for Nigeria, I'm not sure any business they pay past church. Just look at, see money. This one now, are you seeing the amount? See the next one. You see money? See the next one. You see money for watch or wristwatch. See the next one. Are you seeing? Guy, God bless this man. God really bless this man. This man, they chop money. This man, they chop money, guy.
Kuna nene chega. Ya video mama kame. Ome. We kporo that the GI non because of list watch. Tunde not posting again na warrior. Mamoka ga copy the picture where be a mayor. Mamoka, or whatever you call yourself, I don't blame you. I blame social media. I blame Facebook. Makobu na social media anolo. All these things name no man name again, man name. Ibia na iya giwe there that now there is money in the church. There is money in church, na church business. What is stopping you from opening your own business? Since it was church business, what is stopping you from doing that? You might know one thing that you people don't understand and you people don't even want to know is that now all the pastors for that na moto that the money is actually their own money. Some of them don't even buy things with their money. Igafumado just know binye show to be a gift her moto. Gifted. If you think I'm lying, don't be surprised that now that 3 watch who no ne post here online I say that the Adebonye that now may go watch they now calculate and calculating so how many millions of naira watchable can cause. Don't be surprised of we gift from somebody chukunaji daddy where go say we deliver from the bondage of the same you people who know to lawyer and name that Joby. We're making a way decided to gift him. Without no geta, if I have money, let me bust your head. If I have money, I will go and gift more than he now calculate 3 million, now calculate or 5 million to something million. I will gift more than that. Yes, I will give him how many children that man work. It's not so more now for boom. Ima how many children no way. Ima how many children no train go. Do you know how many people train go na school? Mamuka, let me ask you a question. Obu na mmadụ bịa pick rigi up. Let's forget about pastor and all these things now. Mmadụ bịa pick rigi up now dust again. We tie gị na school, train gị from primary school, secondary school, university, ị ga meche ma masters gị bata wete ezigbo. Won't you go and appreciate the person? Won't you go and say thank you? Will you ever allow anybody to insult that person made that thing? Or will you be happy that Namadi Potana drag the person online? Is that person your parent? Will you call that person your father or your mother? Whoever it might be. But I don't blame you because you don't have somebody like that in your life. You will or somebody may go give something that will push you to do more than as in what people don't expect. You don't have it. So that is why you gabun put online na ako eriye juru non. Or put on bohe camera na ako eriye juyon. Only you watch of millions of naira. So akwa okoko can actually buy motor worth of millions of naira, travel Dubai, everything on eme bata. But now unama oputakwa ya si nekwe native doctor na emienka. Or you think pastors are not human being also? You think they are God? Of course they are not. Ihe ndị Chukwu na-aja alụ ọlụ, ndị Chukwu jikwalụ ngwa ọlụ. Ndị ma what it take, the value to serve God. Ndị ma what it takes to serve God. Ndị ma what it takes to serve God. If you call it business, I dare you to go and open your own and see if you are going to see people in your church. If you want ndị mmadụ n'ụlọ ka gị ka mali ekpata ya, go and open your own. Or today if for that kind of thing, is not today now take aka. So if you call it business and you think there is money in it, enter. I dare you to enter. And you put it online. They post yari rubbish. No autola like this. Na they post it in a way this. But one thing that you people should understand and you people should able register na your score is that Christians have come to stay, and no amount of pressure or no amount of side talk or whatever, bully or whatever you people will do that will make Christian to go lie. I beg you, go nana, and there is nothing anybody can do about it. Not even you, Mamoka. Not even people that is bigger than you. Not even Akacham. Nobody. They not born anybody where they pursue Christians. The highest thing ungemebo. Highest thing unemekalia. Highest thing. Bija nebushishinde mad. And that is all. But Obumaka Christian, again remain. Christian have come to stay. We ungemewa about it. Unaga wana face ye face soon. I said that no ene follow se na deka alo, so ene fe chuku na deka chuku. Gan face say you nefe. Una kondo kon. But look, is it not a shameful thing na madegeje na fega golu osisa pitala pido se na elia na shop. Then ibia warrior koko or obalo koko nen. Warrior kai we call warrior God. Or didn't you think about that one before you put her? I beg me una go sit down with una smelly mouth, no. You push not even dare come across that they do, not even that they Adebonye Oyedipo. You see all these men of God, stay away from them. Mamoka, if you know what is good for you, just stay away from them. When it comes to age, you will do last born, you will do apple last born at all. When it comes to ndo train itself, like hapo ndo train go na school, we do in kebia 1/4. So if you are dragging, you can drag your fellow content creators, but don't near them at all. Drag whoever you want to drag. Leave pastors out of this your problem, because that is the problem you have, and that is your own business. It's your own business. Nobody drag you of buying a expensive car, or maybe renting an expensive house, or maybe building an expensive mansion, or whatever you people call it. But why can't you people just let others be? Because no na choku choku. And all this thing is happening because no matter na he don't actually care about all these things. I dare you to follow oftoye naga Muslim drag guy online. Unama mewe now because so mad the repercussion. Oh yeah, you na Christians none, because Christian is actually for peace and love. I dare you, Mamoka, Oka go be. Imagine that no way Muslim G is bastard money. Louis Muslim G bastard money not drive. You even go watch and get daddy. I dare you to call him out. Kemalu mi ge ju kono gafta. If you any guy the following day kamali pataya. Blame homo. Bobibo. Never when you, I'm just saying it the way it is. I was so angry and upset seeing that video me, and the way people are reposting Yetunde not to post it because of list watch. I'm so disappointed. I'm so disappointed. I don't know why you people keep dragging pastors, as if pastor is the problem that we have in this country. Why he is not. pastors and church Christians are not the problem. Nende yelego politicians yere ego ka jelo ndị ụlọ ha gbara ọkụ, ndị kezafia bandits buche ndị mmadụ gba ụlọ ha ọkụ. They seize the money. You people will see these people, you won't call them out. Shebi ndị pastor bi eja nalu the money tiya na babi. Won't take your time na this social media. One call am non Igbo domanje mon kemesian.